Good morning, student. In last period, we learned agricultural practices of sowing. The lesson of crop production and management. Sowing is putting the seeds into the soil is called sowing. Some precautionary measures are taken during the process of sowing. That is selection of good quality of seeds. Good qualities, healthy, high yielding variety of seeds are selected for the sowing into the soil. This is the second agricultural practices. First agricultural practice which we learn is preparation of soil. Preparation of soil is the most important task for the production of crop. Similar way, sowing is also the most important task for the production of crop. Now, the third practice, that is agricultural practice, is adding manure and fertilizers to the soil. So, we know that farmer add manure, that is natural fertilizers or organic fertilizers, and chemical fertilizers are also added to the soil, because by continuous taking the crop, sowing the crop on the same field, the amount of nutrient in the field is decreases. So, if we continue the sowing the crop on the same field without adding manure or fertilizers, the yield of crop or production of crop is decreases. For this reason, farmer add either fertilizers or manure or both to the field. So, adding manure and fertilizer. So, what is manure or fertilizers? Manure or fertilizers is a substance which are added to the soil in the form of nutrient for the healthy growth of plant are called manure and fertilizers. So, this is the definition of manure and fertilizers. Are a substance which are added into the soil in the form of nutrient for the healthy growth of plant. Why manure and fertilizers are added? For the healthy growth of plant. In which form? Manure and fertilizers added in the form of nutrient. Why manure and fertilizers added into the soil? So for the healthy growth of plant or crop plant. So substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrient for the healthy growth of plant are called manure and fertilizers. Farmers have to add manure to the field to replenish the soil with nutrient. Replenish means substitute of nutrient, because nutrients are decreases by taking and sowing the crop season by season on the same field. The nutrient amount is decreases. So this is replenished by the adding manure and fertilizer into the field. So the farmer have to add manure to the field for replenish the soil with nutrients. Manure is, what is manure? Now, manure is an organic substances obtained from the decomposition of the plant or animal waste. Manure is obtained from the plant waste and animal waste, and is an organic substance. So manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant and animal waste. We see that farmer collect the waste from their cattle like its gobar and fodder and dump into a pit. After some times or some week, these waste are decomposed by the microorganisms and converted into a manure. So manure is obtained from the decomposition of plant waste, agricultural waste, or an animal waste. So manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant and animal waste. Now, what are the advantages to adding manure in the fertilizers? The advantages of fertilizers are: manure enhance the water holding capacity of the soil. So water is held by the soil. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth is called soil. So on the field, the uppermost layer of the field is called soil. This soil, by adding the manure, it enhance, increase the water holding capacity of the soil, so the roots of the plant easily absorb the water available nearby it. So manure enhance the water holding capacity of the soil. This is the first advantage. Second advantage is manure makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases takes place easily. By adding a manure, the soil becomes porous. It means tiny porous, in which the exchange of air, means exchange of gases, takes place easily. So manure makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases become easily. This is important for the breathing of root. It takes oxygen and release carbon dioxide. If the soil is not porous, then the root can not breathe easily. So growth of roots are not proper. So ultimately its effect on the overall growth of the crop plant. So manure makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases become easy. Is the second advantage. Third advantage, manure increase the number of friendly microbes or microorganisms. By adding manure into the soil, there are a number of friendly microorganisms which are increase the fertility of soil or increases due to adding the manure in the field. So manure increases the number of friendly microbes like rhizobium bacteria, which is a microbes, and if we add a manure into the soil, the rhizobium bacteria is increases into the soil, which increase the amount of nitrogen into the soil. Nitrogen is essential nutrient required by all the plant. So manure increases the number of friendly microbes or increases which is essential for the healthy growth of the plant and fertility of the soil. This is the third advantage. Fourth advantage, manure improve the texture of the soil. The texture of the soil, composition of soil is increases by adding manure into the soil. And fifth advantage is manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Humus is also important for the healthy growth of the crop plant. By adding manure, it provides a lot of humus to the soil, which is essential for the fertility of soil as well as healthy growth of the soil. So these are the advantage of manure. Now we learn about fertilizer in next video, and this agriculture practice which is adding manure and fertilizer is continue into the next period. Thank you.